Greetings, wild urban gardeners. It's the Saturday before the downtown Charlottetown Farmers Market. We're going to check in to see what plants are going to be down at my booth this week and what's coming up. So let's sneak in and get a look. All right, there are some chocolate striped tomatoes left. They are glorious. They're not like really old and root bound and beat to heck. They're ready to go in the ground and you will get really nice tomatoes and proper growth off them. All right, in behind them, we've got some tender green mustard green, some spearmint, some chives, and some beautiful rapini. I love that word. These guys, some of them will be coming with us, and some will be ready the following week. So the Amish deer tongue probably going to be ready. And then coming up, we've got Freckles romaine lettuce, red streak mustard greens, Tom Thumb lettuce, we've got Yugoslavian red lettuce, Shanghai bok choy, Osaka purple tatsoi, and then after that, way more fun stuff. So every Sunday this week at the downtown farmers market, come and pick up some really wild and interesting new greens. Grow them in a planter outside your windowsill, on your deck, on your balcony, in the parking lot. It's all good because we want to grow our joy. All right, take care, wild ones. Love you all. I will see you Sunday at the market. Come and get your greens. Bye, y'all.